Hello everybody, welcome to October's giveaway. It's the first Tuesday of the month and today I've got a nice giveaway ideal for autumn fall. I have got 2 cakes and they are acrylic, they're 3 weight. This is called Sweet Berries and you get your little pom-pom, and this one is called Bramble Pink. They are this one has got 223 meters, which is about 237 yards, and this has got 244 yards. Hold on, so that is 223 meters, so there's 244 yards. There's a pattern included with this one. This is Karen's cupcake, and it's a 4mm hook, and this is the same, I think. Yeah, is it a 4mm hook? Doesn't say. Yes, it is 4mm. There's a knit hat pattern on the band of this, and so you get them too. You get 2 stitch markers, you get the little pink gem, and you get a shell. You get a pen and a 5.5 hook. You also get a little book of stickers, and I use these stickers for in my projects. I just write on the yarn and the hook size that I'm using, so that if I put it to one side and start another project, I always know which hook size to use for that project. What do you got to do? All you've got to do is write the word Sweet Berries, which is what this one's called. Is it called? Yeah, this one is called Sweet Berries. So in the comments you need to put Sweet Berries. You need to be a subscriber of my channel, and you need to ensure that I can see that you are a member of my channel. Or you need to be 18 years or over. I am responsible for this giveaway. YouTube is no way associated with this. All the rules are in the description box below, as well as information on how to make your channel available, so that I can see you're subscribed to me. I'm not responsible for customs. When the parcel gets to your end, that is your responsibility. I will post it to you. As I said, all the rules and regulations are in the description box below, so please check them out. This giveaway will close on the 23rd of October, with the winners being announced on the 26th. And I think that's all really. Good luck to each and every one of you. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. The thumbs up are really important for me, just as much as your comments are. And that's it. Good luck. Take care. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.